guys, back with another video.
A quick
you know how
video.
Tyson said in the last video that we were going into that abandoned house? Yeah, we've got these sticks, and I think of that house. It's bloody abandoned, literally. Freaking ironing board! What is that?
Look, there's more white.
Be careful, snakes. There's another board and stuff. We need that ironing board.
I wonder, imagine the stuff under it. That's scary. No, let me use my spear. Oh, there's nothing under it.
Pull it out.
Wait, give me the hook.
Pull it out from there. Pull it out from them handle things.
Oh, it's a perfect shape.
It's actually not dirty. Someone coming. I know who that is. I know that person that's coming. He always yells at us. I think it's that dude.
I know that.
That always yells at us.
Okay. When me and Kynan we were going up that alley.
Me and Mackay.
Yeah. And Mackay's brother. Mackay's brother said he ran and he saw he saw a guy in the fence. And then minutes later, me and Mackay, we heard 2 bangs. It sounded like shotguns, but it was beer bottles. Then we rode around the house and he yelled at us saying, "Come back here."
Well, there was a dude when me, Mackay and Tyrone, you weren't here because you were too scared. And you're down there.
No, wasn't.
No, because you stayed home. And
Let's go back up. Oh, yeah, I fucking
there was a dude that freaking yelled. I got crap on my pants.
I don't know.
The body wet.
I just threw my spear. Look right there. It's almost at the fence.
I don't think it's a big. Go grab your drink. Oh no, I don't know.
Nah, I'm not doing my drink so I can clean myself.
There's a piece in his mouth.
Nah, look, there's a shotgun right here. Look, there's a shotgun right there, and then there's a shotgun kind of stick.
Just walk up there. The steps. Just walk up there. See what's up there. Have a look. Just walk up there.
There's no chair.
I know. Oh, shh. I think I heard something. What are you doing? Just walk up there. Fine, just walk up there. No. Fine. Just walk up there. Just go. I'm just gonna record it, okay? So is someone coming? You take the phone and record so they can see everything. Come on.
Watch out for your feet. There's glass right there. There's glass. Watch out. Come on. This guy's being a pussy right now.
It's an alarm system. Come on. You did not get that on camera, did There was an electric alarm system up there.
Wait, we need to replay that.